It's me from the other video. If you don't remember, it was my burping video. I did some really good video burps, and I'm gonna do a couple more for you. But that's not all we're gonna do. We're gonna do a couple other things. I'm gonna do a warm-up. Okay. Here's the real deal.
Panda. I got broads in the land. Credit cards in the scams. Getting the licks in the van. Legacies. Wait and see, look at the fan. Going out like a Montana. Honey killers on the hands. Legacies. Fan. Wait and see. Pockets full. Dan. Selling ball. Candy. Been on the macho like Randy. The chopper go out to the granny. This nigga pull up your bandit. Hope you killers understand it. I got broads in the land. Twisted the lean in the van. Credit cards and scams. Getting the licks in the van. Legacy. Fan. Wait and see. Look like a fan. Going out like a Montana. Honey killers on the hand. Legacy. Fan. Wait and see.
Battleflipping.
Candy. Been on the macho like Randy.
I tried ball with dick. And then we got bottle flipping. If the man can do it.
See the weather we're having right now?
What?
Everyone's up in like the southern areas, and it's like not snowing right now. I'm gonna show you what it's like right now.
We're going where? I'm done. Get ready to do one more book when you open the door.
Drum roll. It's a bird.
I got bitches pull up and they get it. I got niggas discount for this.
Is that what it is?